Well, thank you very much. It's most unfortunate when you have leadership failure. That's what you get. I've never seen a hostile government against the government like Bayelsa State government. It's most unfortunate. Yes, when I was away, I read from the media the rantings of the Bayelsa State government through the Commissioner for Lands. In August 2021, we wrote to the Bayelsa State government that with our urban renewal policy, what we're doing, the money we have spent, that the property belonging to them, it would be unfair to us that if we allow such property to remain there, if without any, maybe a redevelopment, a kind of, I spoke to my colleague, the governor of Bayelsa State, severally, and I said, look, it's better you renovate or bring it down or build a new thing for your state. We're not claiming that the property belongs to us, but we have a right to talk about development in our state. No state can determine the level of development that should occur in another state. So, 2021 in August, not only did I write a letter to him, in all our meetings then, I took him as somebody, well, this is what is going on. If you cannot develop it, you can sell the property back to the Rivers State government. We are willing to develop it, but we cannot allow that property to be the way it is. Ask the governor of Oyo State, ask the governor of Adamawa State, but we are colleagues. I have promised me that, oh, they are doing everything, in the next 3 months, everything is done. And I took him serious that, yes, he meant well for my state. And I believe that as a colleague, he will not deceive me. And I have said to everybody who cares, the failure of this country is the inability of leadership to take a decision. In one of my routine inspections, I went around and the property was, if as I speak to you, you can't believe it. No human being what is sought will allow such structure to be there. For Christ's sake, I've never seen a government so hostile to the Western government like Bayelsa State. And let the truth be told. Let the truth be told. Every time politics will come in, what is the vendetta? Vendetta for what? Bayelsa State have been a club of development against Rivers State government. We had a joint property where Ancon took over. New engineering works in Transamadi, Ancon took over the property and advertised for sale. The Rivers State government said, look, you can't do that. We were ready to buy it. Bayelsa State government knew about it. When the Rivers State government purchased it from Ancon, Bayelsa State government went to court against the Rivers State government. So it's unfortunate. You do something today, they say, oh, because he did not support you for governorship, I mean for president. What is all this?